folks, thanks for joining us today. Today we are going to cook some chicken breasts. We are actually not going to put wood chips in our Smokaroma. So we are actually making we're just kind of like roasting, broiling the chicken, I guess will be the closest thing to it. It's not actually pressure cooking, only because the meat does not sit in liquid. We're gonna have it in an elevated rack. So it's just gonna roast or broil the chicken and make it fully done. What is pretty neat about it is that it is going to make the chicken breast a little bit much juicier than if you had grilled it or baked it in the oven. What's good about that is then it's easy for you to actually recook or reheat the chicken as needed when you start to get busy or have orders, right? So typically we would cook this, put it in the refrigerator, either in a Ziploc bag or you can put it in a Cambro, and then we'll pull as we need it to fulfill orders. To reheat, you can use a convection oven, you can use a grill top, you can use a flat top, you can even use a microwave if you really wanted to, or an air fryer, and it will come out actually really decent, and it won't be dry as if you recooked, chicken that you've already baked, or maybe chicken that you've already pre-grilled. This would actually turn out perfect, like if you were just grilling it from raw. So pretty neat concept. Would help you prepare all your meats, your chicken, your beef, your pork, turkey, smoked salmon, the same exact way. Will all be pre-cooked. Move your lines faster, turn over your tables faster. Really, really, really neat concept to have for your restaurant. Traditionally, the Smokaroma is a pressure smoker. So it cooks at 1/4 the time as a traditional smoker, right? So chicken would normally take about 3 to 4 hours in a traditional smoker, and it will come out pretty dry. That's just barbecue in general. And the Smokaroma will actually only take 45 minutes. It does turkey and ribs in about 50 minutes. And it will cook brisket or pulled pork in under 3 hours. I smoke salmon in it. Personally, for my house, we usually smoke about 20 pounds of salmon at one time, and then we vacuum seal it and put it in our freezer, and then we slowly pull from it. So it's a pretty neat piece of equipment, and I think it'd be valuable to any kitchen, really. So today we are going to cook this chicken breast without wood, so they would not have a smoky taste to it. But I do like to point out that smoky taste actually elevates your menu. I'm just doing this video because I wanted to show you what the Smokaroma can do, even if you choose not to have that smoky element to it. But it really does elevate any menu. So let's say you cook a chicken breast and you put it in a taco, that smokiness from the Smokaroma will actually elevate your taco, right? Most traditionally, a lot of places nowadays, especially food trucks, they boil their chicken and it comes out kind of dry, and you need that sauce to bind it together to make it seem like it's juicy, but it's really not. But that smoky flavor will add to it. Today we are going to make a pizza. We're going to add the chicken to the pizza. And we are going to make a couple pastas, and we are going to make some tacos. So right now I am just seasoning the chicken, and I'm going to layer it on the rack after I season it. We're going to leave these whole, and we're going to do about a cook time of about 45 minutes. We're going to, this is I think about 15 pounds of chicken, roughly. So our chicken is seasoning on it, and we're gonna run this through the Smokaroma and see how it comes out. chicken is done. We took it out of the Smokaroma. I just want to share one thing with you. As you can see, these are the drippings from the chicken. So it's like a chef's delight, you know, so you can use the drippings, whether or not it's for beef, pork, chicken, turkey, whatever. You can actually get the actual drippings of the actual thing you're cooking and use that for a sauce. You can use that for a soup. You can use that for all different types of things. Really neat. It catches everything that melts off the chicken as it's cooking. I'm just gonna grab a piece of chicken. Just wanted to show you how nicely done it is, and you can see all the moisture coming out of it. That does not happen with chicken that you bake. It just doesn't have that moisture. You can tell it's a very succulent piece of chicken. When you throw this on top of, let's say, a pasta or in a taco, or you know, you just want to put it as a side for a sandwich, anything, this machine will do all that for you. Pre-cooked all this. You would just need to have these either in a Cambro, in a Ziploc bag, or vacuum sealed, so it retains that moisture in it. And then you cook it in the grill. You can cook it in a convection oven. You can cook it in a microwave if you wanted to, flat top, charbroiler, and you'll get that nice char, but you'll still have that nice succulent chicken like you just cooked it from scratch, from raw. So pretty neat. Just want to share that with you guys, and let's see what we do with this, with all this chicken we made. We'll show you all the different types of things that we can make with it, okay? So this is what we created. I have a chicken taco here with a avocado, tomato, and onion. And then we have a lime on the side for it, and a wing sauce, which is kind of like a buffalo. We have two different pasta dishes. We have an Alfredo, chicken Alfredo, and then we have a 5-cheese pasta with chicken on top. And then we have a pizza, and we did not bake the pizza. We don't have a pizza oven here, so just want to put the toppings on top so you know what it's like, you know. So the Smokaroma, in conclusion, the Smokaroma is not just for a barbecue restaurant. You can cook it without or with smoke, depending on how much wood chips, or you put any wood chips in the heater. It only carries about 4 ounces of wood chip per batch. That smokiness does give it an extra flavor element. So you turn a normally, you know, typical dish into something like extraordinary. That smoky flavor is amazing. But you can do this for chicken, you can do this for pork, you can do this for beef, you can do it for turkey, salmon. The list is endless. It's just a great addition to any type of restaurant, not just a barbecue joint. So.